Hello everyone, let's do some makeover. Have a little braid on top section of your ponytail and make in the middle section a loop and form a bow tie design, tie them together. Divide your hair into two sections. In the middle section, make a lovely bunch and make a loop by using a hair loop inserted into it. Then grab enough hair from the sides and start braiding it all the way from the top to bottom. Then leave the hair from the sides and continue the braiding until the end and make a curvy design by using lots of rubber bands. In the middle section of the hair, make a little bunch and continue the bunch twice and make two braids and fix it on top and make another two braids at the bottom section. Have two rubber bands on your bunch and have a beautiful bun maker and completely roll it on the top and hide the bun maker with excessive hair. Have a beautiful ribbon on top of your head and braid it all the way from top to bottom in the middle section of the hair. Grab enough hair from the top section but does not borrow in the back side of your hair. Then braid it all the way and in the back section of the hair braid it again in the bottom part. Then bend the braid, have it secured with the excessive ribbon. Have 7 ponytails on your hair and on each of them insert a hair loop and bring it inside. Then attach a very beautiful, colorful, of course, lovely strings and make it braided and combine all of them together. In the middle section of the hair, make a braid and combine both of them at the back and bring the loop and make a heart-shaped braid out of it. Combine 3 rubber bands together forming a single one and divide your hair into 2 sections and make the hair ties on 2 sides of your hair. Then on the middle section make another braid and make it into a heart shape and combine all of them with a lovely hairband. Comb your hair a little bit, apply some hair wax and make the top section of the ponytail divide into and braid it all together on the sides as well. Thank you guys for watching this video.